Did you know your IP address can reveal your general location and even allow websites or ISPs to track your online activity? If that concerns you, you're not alone. Whether you want more privacy or access to geo-restricted content, changing your IP address is the solution. In this video, we will walk you through the easiest and most secure ways to change your IP address on any device. Why change your IP address? Changing your IP address helps you prevent websites and advertisers from tracking you, bypass geo-restrictions. For example, access Netflix, US, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, etc. Improve your online privacy and anonymity. Enhance security on public Wi-Fi networks. Reduce lag in online games by connecting to servers closer to your VPN location. Access region-specific deals and pricing. 3. Simple ways to change your IP address. 1. Switching networks. The most basic way is to change your access point. If you switch Wi-Fi networks, your IP will likely change. But keep in mind, you're only changing your IP temporarily and locally. It doesn't hide your identity or encrypt your traffic. 2. Using a proxy server. A proxy server can change your IP within your browser. By routing your traffic through another server, you can appear to be in a different location. However, most streaming services detect and block proxies. Worse, they don't encrypt your data, so it's not a secure option. 3. Using a VPN. The most effective and secure way to change your IP address is by using a VPN like Astrill VPN. Here's how it works. VPN reroutes your internet traffic through one of its secure servers. A new IP address is assigned to you based on the server's location. All your data is encrypted, ensuring privacy and protection. This not only hides your real IP, but also allows you to access region-locked content with ease. So, whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, Astrill VPN gives you control over your digital identity. How to change IP through Astrill VPN app. Open the Astrill VPN app on your device. Browse the list of available server locations. Select the server location you want to connect to. Tap the Connect button. Once connected, your IP address and virtual location will automatically change to match the selected server. To verify your new IP address, go to https://www.astrill.com/what-is-my-IP in your browser. So, if you're looking to change your IP address easily and securely, Astrill VPN is your best bet. Download Astrill today and take control of your online experience. Like the video? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other VPN tips and guides.